Hello students, welcome to online session. Today I will teach you general knowledge of class 5. Today we will start our second terminal portion. Fascinating science. Famous scientists of India. Indian scientists have played a stellar role in the development of India. What? Indian scientists have played a shandar role. Stellar means shandar role in development of India in a short span of time. Means in very short period of time. India has made several great scientific achievements. Indian scientists have made a global presence with their contribution to science. Here are the pictures of some of the famous scientists of India. With the help of help box, you have to write down the name here. But in the question it is written that you have to write the correct letter for the name of the scientist from the help box. But what you have to do, you have to write down the full name of the scientist. So first one, regarded as the greatest mathematician of the 20th century. You have to write the name of the scientist here. Second one, the first to set up an Indian pharmaceutical company, the Bengal Chemicals and Pharmaceutical. You have to name the scientist here. You have to write the name of the scientist here. Now come to the third. An engineer who constructed the Raja Sagar Dam across River Kaveri in Missouri. Every year his birthday, September 15, is celebrated as Engineers Day. So question can be asked that when we celebrated an Engineers Day. So what will be the answer? 15th September. Now come to the fourth one. One of the most prominent scientists of India who was awarded the Nobel Prize for Physics. Fifth, a famous physicist and the chief architect of the Indian Atomic Energy Program. Number 6, one of the most prominent scientists of India who proved by experimentation that plants are also sensitive to heat, cold, light, noise, and various other stimuli. Next is an Indian naturalist who took immense interest in studying birds and came to be known as the Birdman of India. Eighth one is one of the pioneers in the field of large-scale artificial intelligence who won the Alan Turing Award in 1994, the highest award in the field of computer science. Called the Missile Man of India, widely known for his role in the development of India's nuclear program. Next is an Indian astrophysicist who won the Nobel Prize in 1983 for his work on the evolution of stars and black holes. 11th one is a famous biochemist who won the Nobel Prize in 1968 for research that showed how the other of nucleotides in nucleic acids, which carry the genetic code of the cell, control the cell's synthesis of proteins. An astrophysicist who developed the Saha equation, which explains chemical and physical conditions in stars. So, here help box is there. With the help of help box, you have to write down the names of the scientists. Now come to the next page, next chapter, chapter number 22, wonder foods. With natural sugars and fiber, zero cholesterol and fat, dry fruits and nuts are an easy source of essential nutrients. A handful of dry fruits and nuts every day can do wonders to you. So, my dear students, you should take a handful of dry fruits and nuts on the daily basis, which can do wonders to you. Now, come to the question. Write the name of the wonder foods from the help box. Again, here help box is given and pictures of some of the dry fruits are given here. What you have to do, you have to select the correct name of the dry fruits and you have to write down the names here. First, improve digestion, prevent anemia and boost immunity. Second is cure anemia and make bowel movement regular. Considered as brain food. Contribute to health and wellness. Reduce the risk of heart disease. Improve skin and hair. Now come to chapter 23, food myths. Myths means jhooty baatein. So this chapter is all about jhooty baatein about food. That means food myths. Myths are widely held false beliefs or idea. Food myths are everywhere around us. Some are so popular that we can't believe they are false. Some of the myths are so popular that it is very hard to believe that they are false. But we must use our common sense and separate facts from myths. After reading this chapter, easily you can separate the facts from myths. Here are some food myths and the facts. Now, myth is that raw carrots are better than cooked ones. False, not always. Cooking can in fact increase the amount of nutrients in carrots. The amount of nutrients you get from carrots depends on how fresh they are, how they are stored, and how they are cooked. Now come to the next one. Apples and bananas are good sources of iron because they turn black when cut. It's a myth. Fact is, apples and bananas are rich in vitamins and fiber but have very little iron in them. Almonds and other nuts have lot of cholesterol. It's a myth. What is the fact? A handful of nuts and are excellent sources of protein and other nutrients. In fact, they can protect us from heart disease. Eggs are not good for health. It's a myth. What is the fact? Eggs are in fact a rich source of proteins, zinc, and iron. They are good for our health provided we don't cook them in oil. Diabetes is caused by eating a lot of sweets. It's a myth. Fact is, diabetes is not caused by eating sweets alone. सिर्फ स्वीट खाने से नहीं होता है. It is caused by stress and an indisciplined lifestyle. Ghee and oil should not be taken at all. It's a myth. What is the fact? A small quantity of ghee and oil will do good to you and do not harm at all. It provides us with energy. No coffee, no tea. It's a myth. What is the fact? A little coffee or tea can be taken without any bad effects. In fact, they stimulate the brain and refresh us. However, limit the number of cups you take. Not taking salt in our food can prevent BP, blood pressure. It's a myth. Fact is, we need salt in order to survive. So, a little salt is good for us. But anything in excess is bad. If you take anything in excess amount, it is bad. So we must avoid eating pickles because they have a lot of salt in them. We must drink a lot of water. It's a myth. What is the fact? We must drink water according to our thirst. According to our thirst, thirst means how much you feel thirsty. According to that only you must drink water. Drinking excess water puts pressure on kidneys just as drinking very less water does. Both drinking excess water and drinking very less water are harmful for our kidney. So drink water only according to your thirst. So we must drink water depending on how active we are, the weather and other health status. As we feel thirsty more in during summer season and we feel less thirsty during winter season. Now come to next. Drinking fruit juice is very healthy. It's a myth. What is the fact? Fruit juice contains vitamins and minerals, no doubt. But it also contains a lot of sugar, which is bad for us. Eating raw fruits are good because we get more fiber from it. Fruit, fruits like mangoes, sapotas, watermelons, custard apples, and even apples and bananas are very rich in sugar. Come to the next. Papayas create lot of heat in the body. It's a myth. What is the fact? This false belief causes many people to miss out on the goodness of papayas. They are in fact a rich source of vitamin A and C. So my dear students, today I am teaching up to here only. What is your homework? Your homework is that you have to complete chapter 21 and 22 in your book, and you have to read and learn up to page number 55. Thank you. Have a good day.